You're done? Was it so tasty?
Yes.
I think you have something on your nose. What do you have on your nose?
It's a button in my nose.
Yes. Peanut butter in your nose. But it was for a good cause. Maybe you should let Poe lick it. Should you let Poe lick your nose?
Yes.
Okay, Poe, lick her nose. Is he gonna lick it? Did he do it?
Yes.
You're still a mess. Renee, are you admiring your presents?
Yes.
We got all your presents. We got all your cookies ready. Your candle that we can't figure out where to put because it doesn't go into a cookie. And your unicorn plates. Can I see your crown, please?
Yeah.
Oh, you look so beautiful. And you're wearing one of your new dresses that you got with Nana.
Yeah.
I love it. It's going to be the best birthday ever, huh?
This present too.
Oh, yeah. Did you snuggle with that last night?
Yes, the whole night.
Are you ready for Renee's birthday?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I want to give this one to Renee.
This one was the one that was from Levi. See? It says, to Renee from Levi. See Levi right there?
Marshmallow.
Yeah. So we will give that to
Hello.
her later when it's time because we want Dad to be here to have birthday dinner.
Hello, boys. Whatever.
So Renee, what did you choose for your birthday dinner?
I chose Chipotle.
Chipotle.
I
That's her favorite. Your favorite restaurant, right?
And I chose
What did you choose for your birthday?
Mom Pizza. Mom Pizza.
Mod Pizza? Did you?
Yeah.
I don't remember. I just got home with Renee's birthday dinner, and she's running out to greet me, as well as Freddie. Oh, there's Freddie. Hey, Renee. I brought your Chipotle.
Thank you.
Freddie! Oh, hi, Freddie. How are you? Renee's favorite restaurant is Chipotle. She said she especially loves the green things they put in the rice that makes it so yummy. And that's cilantro. The girl loves cilantro.
May I eat one?
Yes, you may. You're a queen, right? Are you a queen or a princess?
Oh, there is.
Chocolate milk, or you have to shake it.
The queen has to be over a place. Like you're a queen of something. And your crown says 7, so you're the queen of 7. So where is 7?
I don't know.
Does your castle have 7 towers?
And like, well, 7, and what was the castle in this place?
The Squatternush Castle. Right? How's your rice,
I
Renee?
see it now.
With all the green things in it.
Delicious.
Good. Don't say. Don't say. He already told her.
It's a grapefruit, I think.
It's a pear and a fox.
Oh my goodness.
When we came home, Izzy ran into the bedroom and pulled it out of the bag and decided it was hers.
Yeah, you gotta keep it out of her way, that's for sure.
Yeah, but I saw Izzy chewing it.
Oh, no.
But it had no hole.
Oh, well, that was lucky.
Yeah.
That's so cute.
And look, they have the little spoons and cups that you can feed them with, and their little high chairs.
And little bowls that are shaped like rabbit.
Mhm.
That have rabbit ears. It's so cute. I love it. There's 3 little bunnies.
There's only 3 triplets?
Yeah.
No, there's only one triplet.
I thought there might be
Triplets.
4 triplets.
One triplets.
Oh, there's 3 twins.
Yeah, there's 3 twins. Frogs and hearts. My favorite one is this one. It has its little tongue out. Like, I see cat ears. Oh my goodness, there's cat ears and flowers.
Oh, yeah. Boy, those are really beautiful.
You're so cute, Renee.
Yes, you are.
Oh, another thing for Buddy. I could see a mixer and a thing. There's a counter and a bagel toaster
A
thing.
donut maker.
A donut maker. There's the cookies.
the mixer moves. So you turn the knob and the mixer spins, the scale moves up and down.
There's a mommy for the free. There's a mommy for the free little bunnies. Oh my goodness. There's a dress for it. And
All
there's-
kinds of dress up stuff.
Yeah.
It's got little shoes.
Thank you, everybody.
You're welcome.
You're welcome, baby.
And I knew this was a Where do you open them?
I love that one so much.
I know. There's a mommy.
Look on the back, Ren.
So which cookie are you gonna pick?
Ice cream cone.
The ice cream
Look
cone.
like that is. Make it look like.
That's a birthday ice cream cone cookie.
Yeah.
Charity, what are you gonna choose?
Almost. No,
want
other way. There, right there, right there.
one.
Now bring it up to you.
Ooh. Oh yeah. You better go fast. The candles.
Happy
Candles
birthday
on.
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
Renee.
Talia. Excuse me, I failed. I was looking over at Talia. I failed.
I couldn't decide if that was a mistake or if you did that on purpose as a joke.
Charity's here to.
Okay,
fix
now
everything.
Charity's ready.
Stared it down. He was just like, took a moment
Excuse me.
to process.
All right, Charity, you ready?
Give us our key.
Okay.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Renee. Happy birthday to
Thanks for singing with us. It's okay.
She doesn't want to stop singing now. That is the cutest little waffle maker I have ever seen. Isn't it cute?
Yes.
Yes, I do. But I just had to look at this cute waffle maker, and these are removable, and it turns into a donut maker.
Little baby bunnies.
Oh.
And this is
they're
something
so
that you
sweet.
can put the mom's jewelry in, but I also take out the glass case and I pretend that they can have their diapers changed to this like.
Oh, it's like a little changing table.
Yeah. Their clothes can come off.
And those are the little donut makers. And the tiny little donuts.
Mom, there's a clock. Too.
A clock?
That's a weight.
Oh, it's a little scale, yeah. Look at the sink has pipes under it too.
Yeah.
And look at this little mixer. Oh my goodness, it spins.
Yeah, and I like this guy the best. Like, I like this guy. You can change the clothes like
Is that the cutest baby?
you could like, Mom, you could switch
Here, hold
their
it there.
clothes.
Scoot it back.
So they could each have different
Oh
clothes.
yeah. And I saw one of the bunnies had a brown nose, and then the other ones had pink noses.
I know, this one's my favorite because he has the brown nose.
Oh my
'Cause he is a
goodness.
brown
He's
guy.
so cute.
Pink noses, brown noses.
Bunny's so cute. Bunny's so cute.
They are so cute, aren't they?
Hi, Bunny. Hi, Bunny. Hi, Bunny. Hi, Bunny. There's a bunny.
Yeah.
Hi, Bunny.
What does the bunny say?
I am Bunny. What is that, Bunny? Bunny eyes. Bunny have eyes.
The bunny does have eyes.
Bunny have eyes.
Yeah, what else does the bunny have? Oh, you found a stick?